When it comes to new drywall, priming and painting by hand with the brush and roller is such a hassle. This method we used on this project is way faster and easier. In many bathroom remodels, you have to use a brush and roller because maybe it's just a patch, or for whatever reason, it makes more sense. That's fine. I do that all the time. In this situation though, I can get away with spraying everything. Paint sprayers aren't anything new. They've been around for quite a while. It's not really a new way of doing anything, but it sure is nice to utilize them when you can. The first thing that we need to do is mask everything. I've already masked all the roughed in plumbing supply lines and drain pipes, shoved some masking paper in the rough electrical boxes, and covered up the windows in plastic. Now that we're ready, the first thing we do is spray even coats of drywall primer. At this point, the consistency of the spray pattern doesn't concern me too much. However, a consistent back roll is important. We want to make sure that we don't have any massive paint blobs or areas where we didn't roll and mix all the paint around consistently. Next step is wall color. This is a clip of a portion of the second coat. Here, it's a wise idea to maintain a consistent movement and decent overlap when spraying. Again, we did 2 coats and back rolled both times. Once the wall paint was completely dry, I masked the walls with 3M masking film using the delicate surface frog tape. Once ready, we sprayed the ceiling color with 2 coats and back rolled twice again. Once the paint is set up for a little bit, carefully remove everything and throw it in the trash and appreciate those clean ceiling lines. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video of our new project.